This is what I do with my girls when someone proposes. I sit with the boy. I collect all the information that I needed. They sit in my presence. They talk for half an hour, 45 minutes. A lot of the guys, youngsters, come to me say, Sheikh, I saw this girl in my class at uni. Sheikh, she's a hijabi. She's beautiful. She's bashful. I want to get married to her. I say to him, you're a nutcase. Do you know anything about her? He said, no. Do you know anything about her character? I said, no. So how do you think that she qualifies to be a good wife without knowing anything about her? Oh, okay, so Sheikh, should I approach her and give her my number or take her Instagram or like we do in the West and just take her Instagram and start to communicate? Said, no. Again, this is inappropriate. Would you like me to do this with your sisters? No, Sheikh, of course not. Then, what should I do? Go and talk to your mom. Go to talk to your sis. Let them meet her, visit her in her home, meet her mom, meet her family, chit-chat, take some info about her background, how she is with them. And then if they see what they like, they come back and talk to you. If this girl checks some of or most of the boxes, then you take step 2 by asking your mom to call her mom, my son would like to meet your husband. Usually the husband would say, give me his name, give me his phone number. He would talk to him privately. This is what I do with my girls when someone proposes. I sit with the boy. I collect all the information that I needed. Then I sit with him. I interview him for half an hour, 45 minutes. I collect the names of his best friends, relatives that I can call and check on. And I call them personally one by one, start to ask him few questions that I've already accumulated throughout the years and my counseling sessions that I do on daily basis, so I know what strings to be pulled and what not. And then if the guy checks all the boxes and I'm happy with him, I go and talk to my daughter. If she says, yeah, I think he's fine, then we set a date for the interview. He comes, we sit for 5-10 minutes. My daughter comes in. They sit in my presence. They talk for half an hour, 45 minutes. If there's chemistry, he's already gathered information about her. She's already knows a lot of things about him. And they talk. If there's chemistry, okay, the interview is gone. He goes back home. His mom calls on the same day or the following day. My son liked what he saw and he's very happy. What about you guys? My wife says, Alhamdulillah, my daughter is happy. I think we can proceed. We talk on the phone. We decide when the engagement is, when the marriage contract is. That's it.
Simplicity is best.
Yes, Alhamdulillah.